back everyone. In this video we'll be working on Colins split bus. Okay, so this is Colins 66 or 67, 66 I think, split bus. This it's got quite a cool story. He was travelling around Alaska and he seen this parked in a car park in the middle of nowhere, and I think he tracked down the owner and bought it for a few $100s. Yeah, there's a couple of videos on YouTube about it that with Colin in talking about exactly what happened. I'll leave the links in the description below, but yeah, he bought it and he ended up putting it on the back of a trailer, and then it ended up in a ditch, and it was caved in when we got it. The roof had been pushed right down, the B-posts rang in below the sills, front bulkhead. When you look through the back hatch, the bulkhead was a completely different angle to the rest of the bus, different angle to the dash. None of the doors opened or closed, and Colin had cut a lot of the rot away, so we'd had to repair, well, get the body square, get the doors to open and close, and repair all the rot. And we started with the chassis, got all the main chassis rails repaired, new outriggers and top hats all the way around, inner sills, made sure that was all square, and then started we did that on our chassis jig that we've got, and then we started work on the body repairs. I'll just show you where we are with it now. So Colin wants to keep as much of the original paintwork and patina as he can and blend the repairs in, but it needed a new front bulkhead, which we've fitted with the funky green floors, which have all been welded in place. Repairs to the tubs, the long side panel and the lower supports on the strengtheners have all been replaced. Both the B posts have been replaced on the inner and outer, and the same with the cargo doors have been repaired on the inner and outer. And then around the front we ended up putting two full tubs in, a new floor, and we've replicated all the factory style welds. And then there's a few repairs, like this door frame section and the seal strip. Again, we fitted that like factory. Our new kick panel. Yeah, the front valance was rotten. The front panel was actually quite nice. So what we did, we cut it off just into the window frame, drilled out the spot welds down the A post, took the front panel off, repaired the inner and outer valance, and refitted the front panel. It's come out quite nice. Two new dog legs, so we're pretty bad, and there's a long side repair. And then Colin doesn't want jacking points, so we've left the jacking points off, but we've repaired all the rest of it like factory. Yeah, there's little repairs to the chassis needed all around it really. I'll raise it up now and I'll show you underneath. Yeah, so the underneath of the bus has had quite a few repairs as well. See, lower A posts and front bulkhead. No, front bulkhead, sorry, the front balance. We've had all the heater pipes edged and had to replace the main one in the middle. It's just got to fit this section back in, which is on the floor. That's the top hat and front cross member. Done like factory. All the inner sills and I-beam sections. They're done good. The chassis rails at the back were really real nice. Yeah, new tub repairs on the front and the back. Full rear corners. As they were bad after the all caved in. Not really worth repairing. The rotten batters and the posts were bad. So we ended up fitting full inner rear posts and the rear engine with hinge panel, battery trays, tub repairs, the gusset supports, rear valance supports. Yeah, it's had loads of work. I'm probably not giving it any justice how much work we actually put into this bus. It needed loads of work getting it nice and straight. Well, say nice and straight like the doors will open and close. We've got the gaps quite nice. They're not perfect, but they're quite nice. So yeah, that's about all the repairs. The repair that we've done. But what we're doing now, we're just getting it ready to get in the booth. So we're gonna get the outside in epoxy, just the repairs, and then prime just up there. And then we're gonna put body colour all on the repairs. And this is brush painted over the original paint. It's flaking off in places where you can see the original underneath. So we're going to send that away and get some patina blending done on our paint repairs. And then the inside's going to be all the same sort of thing. All the new panels are going to get painted body colour, and then the underneath is going to be done in smooth Meeple protector. It's like wrapped down body colour. Same. I think Colin wants the same doing in the engine bay. And then we've had all these parts powder coated for the rebuild, so it's got an IRS conversion to go on. Stock beam, it's going to get stock height. He was converting this to electric, but he's putting 1600 back in it for now, I think. Don't know if he's still planning to go electric at a later date, I don't know. But yeah, so that's where we're at with it. So follow the progress now in the booth, getting the paint on. so we've primed all the repairs. It's in high build now. We've masked out the original paint because he wants to keep the original, what's left of the original paint on the top half of the bus and on the interior. Just use some soft edge and try and keep away from the original stuff under there. And do these repairs. Paint the bare metal bits, sorry. And the same all on the inside. Same on the bottoms. The bottoms of the doors, that one needs remasking. And then all the inside ready to go. Master dash out and the airbox. So yeah, so I'll just remask that door, get it panel wiped, tack cloth, and get some epoxy and colour on it.
That's all the interior repairs painted and the end of this video. In the next one we'll get the primed parts of the body flatted down and painted body colour, and the other side painting colour MEPA Protect ready for the rebuild. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments, please drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.